Hi everyone, this recipe is actually a snack recipe. It's made from chickpea flour. It's called besan pakora. So to make this, I'll be using 4 cups of bacon or chickpea flour, and also I'll be adding some dry spices into the flour before I add any water. So I have 2 tablespoons of whole coriander seeds, so not the powder but the actual coriander seeds, and then I have 1 tablespoon of garam masala and a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, red chili powder, and this is 1 tablespoon of pomegranate seed powder, and then I have 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add those spices into the basin or the flour, and then I'm going to mix it dry. I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients first, and then I'll go ahead and so 4 cups of basin, I'll be adding 2 cups of water, and then I'll just mix it into a really fine batter. But because I have the spices, you will see a little bit of grains in there, which is fine because those are just the seeds, but the basin itself is mixed into a very fine batter. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna start off by 1 cup of water mix, and then I'm gonna add the 2nd cup of water, and then I'll just keep mixing until it turns into a fine smooth batter. There you go. And then you can see the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds in there still. And then once that's done, I'm just going to cut up 1 large onion. I'm going to chop it, and then I'm going to chop some cilantro or fresh coriander, and about 1 cup of cilantro, and then I'm going to add it to the basin. So I'm making these pakoras because I need them for another recipe, which is pakora curry. But right now I'm just doing this to show you how to make the pakoras. If you want, you can also chop up some potatoes, like chopped potatoes in here, and then if you add the chopped potatoes or some spinach, you can have it as it is. But because I'm making it for another recipe, I'm gonna keep it very simple. So there, I'm just going to heat 2 cups of oil on a medium-high heat, not a low heat, and I'm going to just with the spoon add them into the oil, and make sure the oil is hot, as you can see, and I'm going to fry them 3 to 4 minutes on each side on a medium on like a medium heat, because I want to make sure they're cooked from the inside as well, not just the outside. If the heat is too high, they will burn from the outside, but the inside will still be uncooked. So there, 3 minutes on each side approximately, and they are done. Now I'll just take them out and place them on a towel paper, and so that can absorb any extra oil that's on the surface. So these are done, very quick and simple, great for a snack. And if you want, again, you can add your favorite vegetable in there: eggplant, potatoes, spinach. Just chop it up real fine, and then add it to the batter and fry it exactly the way I've just shown you, so on a medium-high heat. Thank you for watching this recipe, and stay tuned for my next recipe, which I'll be using these pakoras for. It's going to be called pakora curry. Thank you.